Okay, you guys, is that backwards? I think it is. Today we're putting together the letter K, and it has 4 pieces like this, 2 Ks. And this was sent out to my Silhouette VIP group. If you're not part of the group, all you have to do is go to karinagardner.com, click on exclusive VIP, and there it is. You can join my Silhouette VIP group, and you guys get sent a freebie every single Tuesday. These are some videos I planned on doing, but in the middle of my move, I couldn't get to. So I'm revisiting them, and I'm going to be sending links to my Silhouette group so that they get all of these again to make sure. So if you haven't joined, no worries, and you want to make these with me, go ahead and join, and you'll be getting this freebie. All right, so like all the marquee letters, what you're going to do is you've got pieces like this, and you're going to be folding them in just like this and gluing your tabs up just like that. So you're gluing them in like this. Then you will have little notations. This is a circle, and here's the circle piece for this one. So you're going to match those up. So folding these in here just like that so you can see it. So when these go together, your 2 circle pieces technically should go together. And maybe if I fold it the opposite way, they'll even match up. That doesn't really matter. You don't have to worry about matching them up. As long as the circles are on the same side, you should be fine. But if you really want to make sure, you can glue them together like that, okay? So what I'm going to do is go ahead and glue down all of these pieces so that they look just like this until I have one long continuous piece. And I match up my circles with my circles. You can see there's a triangle there. So triangles with triangles and hexagons with hexagons. And then it'll make one long continuous piece and then even come around to a circle. So I'm gonna do that really quick right now. Okay, you can see I have one really long continuous piece right now. When you put it together, you want the tabbed pieces to be on the inside. Okay, you can see those. So you're closing it up this way. You can see I haven't glued that one yet. So what I'm going to do is I have 2 triangle pieces, and I'm just going to glue this tab right in there like that. And then I'm going to glue down these 2 edges. So let me just show you. Okay, so I put a little glue on that, and I'm going to go ahead and glue that into place. Okay, just like that. And then now I'm going to glue down, so you can see I have these open pieces. I'm going to glue down these pieces on top of it. Just like that. So I have one long continuous piece. Now, here's the thing. I've got to figure out how this fits on this case. So I'm probably looking for these pieces first. Okay, these are shorter. So let's see, these look pretty short. That looks pretty good right there. Do you guys see it? Okay, so I think the main thing is I need to make sure, because these 2 pieces, you can see this one's longer than the top one. So I just need to make sure I'm putting it on the right way. And I think you guys would probably agree with me. That one at the bottom looks longer, right? So this is the hardest part, in my opinion, always, is getting that first K in. So what I'm going to start by doing is, this is the long edge right there. And I'm going to start by gluing one side of the tab and putting in the letter there. And just to make sure, because gluing it separate next time is not going to be great. I'm just going to hold those in place. You can see I'm holding it with one hand. I'm going to stick this K in there and make sure it is going the right way before I glue the very first one on, because if not, I want to be able to flip it around. Pretty close, right? So I think the straight edge is going to be the easiest one to start with. Either that or this side, your choice. But I think I'm going to start on the straight edge because it's easy when it pops out, whoop, like that. It's easy to get in there and put glue on that first tab and then glue down this K and make sure that it is in the right place. Okay, first part in place. Now I'm just going to work my way around it and glue the tab and glue the K down as I go around. Okay, once you get it glued in, glue the other side in. So that's pretty simple. You're just going to lay it right into it, and you can put glue all over the back of this, just like this. Easy peasy, right? And then just put it right inside. So you can see how I just laid that inside there. Easier. Okay, you guys, that's it. I hope you had fun making this K with me. Silhouette people, I hope you got this for free through my email series that I send you guys. And if you need more marquee letters or different letters, they're all available in my silhouette shop. So see you guys.